Hey Debayan, welcome to our audience ask segment. And here are my few quick questions for you. My first one: name a person who has been a constant inspiration for you and why.
Okay, Anthony Gaudi, the crazy architect. He has been an all-time inspiration for me. His unique art and invention of biomorphic architecture, challenging the norms of his time and giving the world such stunning expression of art and with function, has always amazed me.
Exciting. My next one: a mind blowing innovation that you recently discovered is.
Um, relatively recent one is, of course, from my industry, smartphone camera technology. How a very large appliance or equipment like DSLR or digital camera gradually shrunk into pockets, not in the form of a special equipment anymore that needs to be planned and cared for, but as an everyday utility and convenience in the form of a smartphone. And so did, therefore, the phenomenon of photography in parallel. It became more and more democratic compared to being a very specialized expertise or skillful trait.
Absolutely well put across that one. My next one: what are the three things that you can't live without apart from food, water, and oxygen?
Okay, a book, driving, more like road trips, my family, and my guitar. Oh, that's four things, not three.
Which is absolutely all right. And my last one, since you mentioned book as the first one, a book that every designer should read.
Oh yeah, so yeah, tons of them. But what comes to my mind immediately is "Predictably Irrational" by Dan Ariely. Um, it's eye-opening, and I think it has the potential of changing, fundamentally changing the way we think and interact and make decisions. And a great read, of course.
Absolutely, I've read that one, and it's a must read, recommended book for everyone. Thank you, Debayan, for doing this. Thank you so much. This was really exciting conversation.
Awesome. Thank you.